Okay, you guys, look what just showed up at my door. This is the beginner sourdough starter kit, and I am genuinely so excited about this one. So here's my deal. Store-bought bread has always bothered my stomach, like forever. I eat it and I just feel gross after. So I finally picked up a loaf I had in the house and I actually read the ingredient list. I was like, what the heck is all of this? There is so much stuff in there that has nothing to do with bread. So I started looking at making my own sourdough. Because when you make it yourself, it's flour, it's water, it's salt, and your starter. That's it. You know exactly what's going in it and no weird stuff. I had no idea where to start. I didn't even know what half the tools were called. And so I found this kit and I was like, this looks like this is the one. And look at all of this. You get the 9-inch rattan proofing basket. That is what gives that sourdough that gorgeous spiral pattern on the crust. The 34-ounce glass starter jar with a temperature strip built right in so you can actually see if your starter is active. A dough whisk, a bread lame with 5 blades for scoring, scrapers, a bread sling, storage bags, and it comes with a recipe book, which honestly was the thing that sold me on this because I am a total beginner. I needed someone to walk me through it step by step. So if your stomach has been bothering you from store-bought bread and you've been wanting to try to make your own, this is absolutely the kit to grab.